Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to package our container and ship it to your repository. So I will exit out of the container. So when I run podman ps -a, we have a lot of containers, and I think this is the most recent one. These ones were built up from the process that failed earlier. So I will just remove these images just to get it clear. Podman, remove. So I run the command again, and now we have only one image, which is the build.x. And it's now time to convert our container into an image. So the command is very simple. So podman commit, and the container's name. Normally I prefer to use the container ID and the name that we want to give it. So we will give it build xx, and it's compiling everything. So we have our image. So when I run podman images, I'm going to see our new image that we have over here. So as you can see, there's a slight difference between the two. So it's now time to log into query.io. So I'll do podman login query.io. And once again, I would advise that if you are using Ansible to run your execution environments, I would recommend that you host your execution environments on query.io over here. So this is query.io, and this is the repository for Ansible. So I have a repository that I created. I'm going to put the image here, and as you can see, there is no image over here. So I want to log into query.io. Yes, so it's saying that my credentials are valid because I've already logged in before. So I don't need to log in again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tag the image. So I'm going to do podman tag, and the new image should be build.xx. I'm going to tag it with the repository name, right? So I'm going to copy this and I'll paste it here. So when I run podman images, I'm going to see my new image here. So what we can do is that the final step, podman push. I'm going to copy this repository, and now click on enter. And as you can see, it's packaging we've already packaged the container. It's now time to push the image to our repository. So it's getting all the requirements and then to push it to the repository in no time. So I'll pause the video and I'll continue when the push is done. Okay, now the push is done. So we've been able to push our image to our repository. So let's check from our repository if we have any image. And as you can see, there's been one push. And as you can see, that's the image that we have, and it's a few minutes ago. So that's how to package your container and push it to your repository. In our next video, we are going to inspect or use this image in our Ansible Navigator configuration file. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.